Hi, I'm Billi Maddox, and I'm gonna mess this up so that you don't have to. So this is gonna be a bit difficult to show you exactly how to make it, but you're gonna need some paracord in whatever colors you want. You're gonna need some of these cord fastener things, and you're going to need something to build whatever you're building around. Now this is a way to sort of make a net bag for anything. You can make a giant one and use it for your laundry. You can use it as a grocery bag if you do your net tight enough. What I'm going to use it for is a sling to carry a BB unit droid. Anyway, make a knot. Put your little plasticky cord clippy thing. Make a knot. You're gonna need the circumference of whatever you're making this for, or if it's just random, you're just gonna need something to the size that you want it. So I'm using this tiny soccer ball, which is the exact circumference of a BB unit droid. There it is. So now you have that first step. Everything gets built onto this, and it's a really simple sort of weave, loopy kind of thing, right? So put this around the ball. Okay, and I guess clear up your workspace, I guess. Okay, put it around the ball and hold it tight, right? So it doesn't move, right? Yep. Really, really tight, you know? Make it really tight so that that doesn't move. It's gonna, see, snap it real tight. That's what I'm showing you there. So you're gonna get some other paracord. It could be all the same color, it could be a different color, it could be various colors, whatever you want. You're gonna loop it underneath that orange cord, right? We're gonna call that circumference cord the orange cord, and you're gonna make a knot, okay? And then you're gonna sort of do like a U, right? A U loop. Anyway, so this is the important part. You're gonna sort of go underneath the orange thing and then down and then over that first loop. You'll get what I'm saying in just a second when I pull this all the way through. That is the way this is going to continue to travel around the ball, okay? So if you see right here, it goes underneath and then over. God, I really did not do a good job of showing you this. So you're gonna go all the way around the ball doing this weave. You'll be able to see it a little better in just a second. I'm not doing this justice. What I will say is that I stole this design. I will link down in the description somewhere where you can buy this. Look, I'm a maker. If I see something and it looks like I can make it myself, I'm gonna make it myself, but like, I'm gonna give credit, you know what I'm saying? And credit where credit is due. This is a dope design, and you should go buy one if you need one. You should go buy it from the maker. So yeah, you see it goes under and then around. And then once you get all the way around, what you're gonna do is then, I think that's what I'm doing in just a second. So I've gone all the way around. It's kind of a pain because you're dealing with a really long bit of paracord, but you know, push through it. But again, you can just buy one at the link down below from this amazing maker out of California, I believe, and you can buy it there. I just, you know, I wanted to challenge myself, but I don't want to, you know, I don't want to make it seem like I came up with this or anything like that. This is a stolen idea. I'm just a maker. If I can make it, I'm gonna make it myself. I'm sorry. See how that loop is? Pay attention. Pay really close attention to how that loop is, because that is the way. It goes underneath, then back over. That's how to explain it. Underneath and then back over. So I'm going to do one more loop, and then we're going to get to how to continue to connect it so that it moves down the side of the ball, you know? From the top, you pull it underneath and then pull it over that. Now, once you get all the way around, what you're gonna do is then drop down this same woven loop. How much of this am I not showing because it's slightly off camera? I'm sorry for this video. This video is trash. I'm a trash person, and this is what you have to deal with. I'm really sorry. I guess I'm just trying to show you how this loop. It's very important how this loop happens. And I'm sure there's other ways, but this is the way. This is the way. The Mandalorian. Have you seen The Mandalorian? It's kind of fucking amazing. Anyway. So the next one, once you get all the way around, you then do the same loop on the apexes of the loops of the U's that you made. It's a bunch of U's, you get it? So once you get all the way around and there's no more orange cord to go around, you're gonna drop down one level, go all the way around, then drop down another level, go all the way around, drop down another level, and then close it off on the bottom. I don't know how it's closed off on the bottom. The way I did it was I did my last set of loops and knotted them, and then that was a way that they sort of stayed together, you know? So you see how this goes? It's just a bunch of these loops. I hope I'm explaining this okay. It might be best that I'm not showing you very clearly how to do this, because if you want one, you should go buy one. But if you can look at this and figure it out, like I did, then make one yourself. But you see how it is? It sort of continues on, and it just keeps dropping down a level. Once you do one full rotation, it drops down a level. Here's how I close it off at the end. Just tied a knot. Here it is complete. So that'll be a little BB unit with a little BB unit head sticking out the top. And I just attached a strap from a computer bag straight up and down. That's what I used. So, yeah, that's it. Thanks so much for watching. Roll the thing!